Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited today because I have another box from Coach. It has been a while since the last time I unboxed something from Coach. But this one is from Coach Outlet. Coach Outlet has been doing a lot of sales lately. It's hard to resist sometimes, even though recently I just don't find the new bags inspiring. But this one, it has been on my radar for a while, and now it's on Black Friday sale. I thought it's time to pick it up. Let's open it up. Doesn't look like this is factory wrap, but hopefully it turns out well. Take it out of the box. So what do you think about all the Coach price increase going on lately? Do you like any of their new style of bags? So here you go. This is their Coach Sullivan backpack from their outlet. Sometimes I'm not sure buying from outlet because of the quality issue, but I do notice some of the pieces, especially from the men's collection, the leather, the quality seems to be a little bit better. And recently, I think the quality has been getting better. Maybe because after pandemic, things are getting better on their production end, so we'll see. But let's take a look for now. Even though this is not factory wrap, but so far it looks okay. I don't see any crazy scratches. Maybe a little bit dent on the flap here, but nothing too major. So for this backpack, it has a top handle on the top. And then it has this lobster cloth thing to secure the bag. It's very similar to what you see on a leather strap and back strap. So open it up. I probably should take all the stuffing out first. This pull tab is a little bit tight. Let's carefully probably start because it has been staying in this position for a long time now. Carefully pull it open and then take out all the stuffing. So this is how it looks inside. Probably it's too dark to see anything. On the back side, it does have a laptop compartment. Because this is not a very big backpack, so I don't think it can accommodate like big size laptop. Probably for small laptop or iPad should be no problem. The opening of the laptop compartment is not very big. So other than the laptop compartment, it does have a slip pocket. Quite a deep slip pocket. Let's see if I can show you. I can insert my hand all over to here. So it's quite a deep pocket. You can put a lot of stuff in that zip pocket. But other than that, it's just a big space like what you usually see with a big backpack. The lining feels like polyester and cotton blend material. I think that's probably where they kind of reduce the cost by using polyester blend material. I don't think this is a full cotton lining. But other than that, it feels pretty good. The leather feels soft and supple. Usually I'm not too into bags with a lot of logos, but somehow when Coach does their monogram logo on their leather, I just love it. I cannot resist it. I think because the logo is not so loud and it looks almost like a pattern rather than logo monogram, which adds a lot of texture to the bag and is great to add more interesting elements to your outfit. Let's close this. And then on the outside, it has this zip compartment. This zip compartment is pretty nice. The zipper goes over it very smoothly. Doesn't stuck in the corner. Sometimes zippers tend to stuck in the corner. This one, so far, is pretty good. And then let's look at the back side. It's very standard for a Coach backpack. With these backpack straps, has their hang tag hanging over the back strap. And I'm surprised to see this bag came with two hang tag, one metal and one leather. I didn't even realize it when I ordered this bag. That's kind of cool. But probably metal hang tag will add some weight to the bag. And then what I like about this backpack and also some other Coach backpack is it has this zipper. When you unzip it, you can go in and reach inside the main compartment. So it's great that, for example, if you have your camera inside the backpack and you see something, you want to take a picture, or if you keep your water bottle inside and you want to reach in and get your wallet quick, you can do this. It's pretty secure because it's kind of near your backside. It's not likely people are able to unzip and reach in and steal your stuff. So one of the reasons that I wanted to buy this backpack, because take a look, aren't they similar? This one is from their retail and this one is slightly older now, so you probably won't be able to find it from Coach website, but I feel like they are very similar. Even the design is very similar, the flap and how they close, and also the front compartment. On the back, this one also features the zipper that you can open and access the inside compartment. So if you have previously looking to find this backpack and cannot find it, I would say you can consider getting this one from the outlet. It's very similar. Maybe the leather quality is not as good as the retail version, but it's still very good quality, and it's not as heavy as well. This one is a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter. So if you just want a medium size backpack for your everyday use, I think this is great. Like, it has this interesting texture and pattern on the backpack, and the leather quality is great as well. This blue denim color is very versatile. For example, it can easily match with my outfit today. Maybe I'll use it today when I go out later. Anyway, I hope you liked today's unboxing. And also, I took some time to rearrange my office a little bit. Hopefully, I will continue to improve this room and improve what you see at the back there. And I just came back from Austin, and this is one of the drawings that my close friend did for me. I really appreciate her effort in making a drawing for me. For now, I'll leave it here, but later on I probably will hang it somewhere in my office. I'm happy that for today's unboxing, no incidents, no heavy scratches, things look good so far. Hopefully I'll have more bags from Coach coming soon. I'll talk to you again next time. Bye!